Hello everyone and happy Friday. It's November 11th, 2022. My name is Kyle and this is Maker Notes. Today we're going to talk about a lovely yarn called Cashmere Queen. This is what Cashmere Queen looks like. It is another one of those really amazing sort of pre-felt. So this is a patented process that Rachael has developed where they take the yarn and pre-felt it, and so it makes for really awesome awesome knitting and fantastic stitch definition, which you're going to see in just a second. This is a 50 gram ball. There's 140 meters on it. It's about 153 yards, and we're going to need two balls of yarn to make the project that we're talking about. So this is the pattern. It is called the Brambles cowl, and you can see those really gorgeous lace and cable-y stitches and how awesome the definition is here in the work that you're able to make. So this is, again, Brambles cowl. It uses 2 balls of Cashmere Queen. Cashmere Queen is on sale, everyone. It's on sale 20% off until Sunday. So you buy your 2 balls of it now through Sunday, save 20%. And we're going to give you this pattern, the pattern for the Brambles cowl. So if you'd like to make that for a cashmere-worthy person in your life for a holiday gift, you'll be able to do that. So again, 20% off Cashmere Queen now through Sunday. I'm going to show you a couple other colors. This is color 3543, and it's this really beautiful silvery purple color, like a lavendery silver color. What other colors do I have here? Here's one. 7873, so this is a really beautiful, they're all really beautiful. A really beautiful sort of mocha brownish kind of color that has a little bit of a gray glaze kind of look to it. And you see that shimmer there? That is the silk. There's 20% silk in this, 35% cashmere, and 45% merino wool. So that is the loveliness that's in here. Here is a really beautiful rosy kind of color. This is color 1065. Again, really pretty. And then the last sample that I brought you of Cashmere Queen, what color is this one? Looks like 5990 is this color. This is a really beautiful green that sort of leans blue. It's looking a little blue in my monitor. I wonder if it's a little bluer in your monitor, but it's really a beautiful sort of tealish green. It's a beautiful yarn to work with. It is wonderful and soft, fantastic against the skin, which is why the Brambles cowl is a fantastic project to make with it, right? If you'd like to do something a little different, maybe lace and cables isn't your thing, then you can try what Mrs. Olson is wearing. Here is a separate version of it. This is called the Briar Rose Reversible Brioche Loop. So you can kind of reverse it. It still looks really interesting, has a fantastically curious pattern on the back side, the other side. This was designed by Rachael Hiatt. It again uses just 2 balls of this yarn, and obviously 1 ball each of 2 different colors of that. So this pattern is a free download. You can find the link to that in our newsletter. So you click on that link, you can get this pattern. If brioche is your friend, then this could be something that you do. Again, 2 balls of it, 2 balls of the Cashmere Queen will get you enough material to make one of these gorgeous cowls. And when you buy 2, you're going to get the Brambles cowl pattern as our gift to you. So that is the yarn for today. We have 2 books to talk about. These are books that I own. They're in my library. They should be in yours as well, especially if you like to learn new techniques. So these are 2 little flippy books that have little ring binding. This is Cast On Bind Off. This is by Leslie Ann Bestor. And if you are wanting to know how to do a cast on, this is the book for you. If you want to know what bind off you should use to go with that cast on, this is the book for you. There are 54 different techniques in this lovely little book. It is a book that lays flat really easily. There you go. And it is one that is a fantastic reference tool. The other book that I want to show you is by Judith Durant. It's called Increase Decrease, and there are 99 99 different techniques in here. Why do we need to care which increase or decrease we use? Well, there are decreases that that lean to the right and decreases that lean to the left, and then there are sort of neutral decreases, like a yarn over is kind of a neutral decrease, doesn't really lean one way or another. There are double and centered decreases and multi-stitch decreases, and different ways to do the different ones. So like knitting 4 together through the back loop, check out all of these different techniques, and it's a great way to sort of research and figure out which increase or decrease would be ideal when you're doing raglan shaping, or when you're figuring out a heel or a toe in a sock. Increase, decrease, Judith, Durant, we have a few of these in stock as well. Then, my friends, the November knit box came out. Are you excited? I have the mittens here. They are gorgeous, if I say so myself. These are the Snow Rise mitts. I designed them using a yarn called Hanf Natur. You can learn all about it in the video where we did the unboxing and see what was in that box. There are just a few of the November knit box available. If you liked this box, you're gonna love the next one as well. So we encourage you to sign up. It is a monthly subscription, and you get a box once a month with a pattern and some yarn and a fun treat of some kind and a gift. And that is our ongoing subscription. When you're ready to take a break, or if you'd like to cancel, you just reach out to us by email or give us a call, and we make that happen for you as well. Now, for local people, did you know that we are going to have a in-person place where you can hang out with us? We have been working on it in the background, and we are very, very close to letting you know when you can come spend time with us in our new Makers Lounge. So we have a large space that is dedicated just for you in our building, and it has, yarn and, lots of table space, and it is a great place for everyone to gather and create in a communal setting. One of the first events that we're going to have, official events, classes, is going to be a make and take, and this is going to be Saturday, December the 3rd. There are 2 different sessions of this, and this is the gnome making workshop. So if you would like to make gnomes with us, it is a make and take. It's $25, and you make a gnome. Might be able to get 2 made, I'm not quite sure. All the details are in the description, but you'll want to register. The seating is limited, space is limited, I suppose. And when you'll come into that event, you'll have a plethora of materials to choose from, and you can make your very own fun gnome. These are always a hit. They're really fun to make, great to do with a bestie if you'd like to have a friend join you. 2 sessions, I was saying. 10 a.m. to noon is the first session. Then we're gonna clean up all of this stuff and get it ready for session 2, which runs from 1:30 to 3:30. So check that out if you are local or you're gonna be in our area. Again, that is Saturday, December the 3rd, either 10 to noon or 1:30 to 3:30. And I already mentioned the Briar Rose reversible brioche loop scarf. So you'll be able to check that out as a free pattern, again, downloading it on our through our newsletter. Last reminder, 20% off through Sunday. The Cashmere Queen is a great deal, and that's a fantastic opportunity to take advantage of. And then after Sunday at midnight, the discount will go away, and we'll be back to regular price for this amazing, amazing yarn. I think that's it for this lovely Friday. If you would like more of Makers, then we encourage you to sign up for our newsletter. We do a video like this to accompany each newsletter, and we generally do this twice a week. And you want to subscribe to us on YouTube. If you do that, hit the bell is what all the kids say on the videos. But if you subscribe to us, then you'll get a notification from YouTube when our videos are published. And then you get just this little sneak advance opportunity to check out the video to see what we have to talk about, what's in store in that day's newsletter. You're also, when you're following us on Instagram and Facebook, you're among the first to find out about our events and more. So that is it for us. Have a fantastic weekend, everyone, and we will see you very soon. Thanks for watching.